The Badami Chalukyas. The Badami Chalukyas were a prominent dynasty that ruled parts of southern and central India from the 6th to the 8th centuries CE. They were known for their patronage of art, architecture, and literature, and for their military conquests. Here are some of the notable rulers of the Badami Chalukya dynasty. Pulakeshin I. Pulakeshin I was the founder of the Badami Chalukya dynasty and the first king to establish their rule in the Deccan region. He expanded the Chalukyan kingdom and laid the foundation for its future prominence. Kirtivarman I. Kirtivarman I succeeded Pulakeshin I and continued the expansion of the Chalukya kingdom. He is credited with consolidating the dynasty's power and establishing control over significant territories in southern India. Mangalesha. Mangalesha was the son of Kirtivarman I and ruled briefly after his father's death. His reign is not as well documented as some of his predecessors. Pulakeshin II. Pulakeshin II, also known as Pulakeshin II, was one of the most famous rulers of the Badami Chalukya dynasty. He expanded the kingdom to its greatest extent, conquering vast territories in southern and central India. His reign is marked by notable military victories, including the defeat of Harsha, the powerful ruler of Kannauj. Vikramaditya I. Vikramaditya I succeeded Pulakeshin II and continued his policies of expansion. He further extended the Chalukya kingdom's influence and patronized arts and literature. Vinayaditya. Vinayaditya was a significant ruler of the Badami Chalukya dynasty. He expanded the kingdom's territories and patronized Jainism, contributing to the flourishing of Jain literature during his reign. Vijayaditya. Vijayaditya succeeded Vinayaditya and continued the policies of his predecessors. His reign saw further military conquests and cultural advancements. Vikramaditya II. Vikramaditya was one of the last powerful rulers of the Badami Chalukya dynasty. He expanded the kingdom's territories and patronized arts and literature, particularly the Sanskrit poet Ravikirti. These rulers played crucial roles in shaping the history and legacy of the Badami Chalukya dynasty, which was one of the most influential dynasties in southern India during the early medieval period. The Badami Chalukyas were a prominent dynasty that ruled parts of southern and central India from 6th to 8th century CE. Here are some of their contributions and achievements. Establishment of a powerful empire. The Badami Chalukyas, founded by Pulakeshin I, established a powerful empire centered around the region of Badami in present-day Karnataka, India. They expanded their territory to include large parts of present-day Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana. Architectural marvels. The Badami Chalukyas were renowned for their architectural achievements, particularly their rock-cut cave temples. The cave temples at Badami, Aihole, and Pattadakal are notable examples of their architectural powers, featuring intricate carvings, exquisite sculptures, and unique architectural styles that blend North Indian and South Indian influences. Patronage of arts and culture. The Badami Chalukyas were great patrons of arts and literature. They supposed the development of literature, poetry, sculpture, and other artistic endeavors. Many significant literary works in Sanskrit and Kannada were produced during their reign, contributing to the cultural richness of the region. Military expansion. The Badami Chalukyas were formidable warriors and engaged in military conquests to expand their empire. They successfully defeated rival kingdoms and established their dominance over vast territories, consolidating their power and influence in the region. Promotion of Jainism and Hinduism. The Badami Chalukyas were tolerant rulers who promoted religious harmony and patronized both Jainism and Hinduism. They built numerous temples dedicated to Hindu gods and goddesses as well as Jain deities, reflecting the religious diversity of their kingdom. Development of administration. The Badami Chalukyas established an efficient administrative system to govern their vast empire. They divided their territory into administrative units known as rastras and appointed efficient officials to oversee local administration, taxation, and justice. Decline and legacy. The Badami Chalukya dynasty eventually declined due to internal conflicts, external invasions, and the rise of competing dynasties such as the Rashtrakutas. However, their legacy endured through their architectural marvels, cultural contributions, and their influence on subsequent dynasties in the Deccan region. They left a lasting impact on the history and culture of southern India. Thanks for watching.